Hello Vanessa, this is AJ Pettway here at Tameron Honda. First of all, thank you for your in-there inquiry on the brand new 2019 Honda Cr-v Ex-l. I have the very vehicle in stock. I didn't see a particular color choices, but I do have a couple color choices for you to choose from. As you can see, I got a variety of the vehicles. If you would, give me a call, 205-410-3796, so we can schedule a test drive for you to see this vehicle in person, to tell you about some of the features, like the sensor technology that keeps you in your lane, or like the 18-inch alloy wheels, or the Apple CarPlay touchscreen that streams your phone through the actual screen there so you can see your navigation. Again, this is AJ Pettway here at Tameron Honda. Give me a call, 205-410-3796, so we can set up that appointment for you today. We appreciate your opportunity, and remember, here at Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you treat it.